Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey, manage your effectiveness using the QSM Survey Master plugin. Consider that I'm the HR of a company, and I want to check if all managers are doing their job effectively. To do so, I'm creating a survey using the QSM plugin. I have created a WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable website, to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create a new quiz or survey, or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I am setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one, to ask our employees about the department they belong to. After entering the question, I am selecting the type of question from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I am a drop-down type question here. You can mark the question as required so that the question can't be skipped. Then click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's click on Create a New Question or click on Duplicate buttons. For the second question, we will be selecting the short answer type question. Once you've filled in the question, I want to know the reporting manager's name. Once done, click on Save Question. Now the next one. In this question, I want to check how long the person has been working with their manager. I am selecting multiple choice type question here, then click on Save Question. Let's move on to the next question by clicking on Create a New Question or clicking on the Duplicate button. I want to check the rating someone would rate their manager on diversity. I'm selecting the radio grid type question. Save Question. At the last one, I want to check if an employee would recommend their managers to new deals for managing the new team. Now, all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Select the field type and label it as your name. Let's add another contact field to take email address. Select the field type as email and label it as email address. Then click on the Save Contact field. Our questions for the survey is set and the contact field is configured. Let's preview our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the Manager Effectiveness Survey and it works just right. And that's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM plugin? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM plugin. Until next time, stay safe and bye-bye.